I am getting ready for my day, and I'm getting annoyed at the fact that I have to wash my face and all that, so it's simple routine. First routine of the year. It's not what I planned, but you know what? And I dropped the cutting around. Thank you. You know what? How many people are still sleeping, yet sleeping, and they're going to be hungover? They went to bed with their makeup on. As you can see, I'm still suffering from adult acne. I have all the scarring. I have embedded active sites, if you want to call it that way. We're going to be using the Eradicate Salicylic Acne Treatment. That's going to be the serum. So the steps are very easy. First, we're going to use micellar water. Take this off. With my glasses, I cannot see at all. Let's see what happens. So some micellar water all over. I took a long shower before I went to bed. Anyways, so I thought it's gonna be like super dirty, my face. And exfoliate it really well, but who knows, you never know. I exfoliate it really well with a nice scrub. What is that? It was the St. Ives scrub. Don't judge me. And it wasn't even the real one, it was the knockoff from Target. And I felt like using it. But before that, I did my usual mix. I mix exfoliate cleanser with the anti-aging cleansing gel from Peter Thomas Roth. So that's what I used last night. And actually, I'm going to do a video of things that I'm bringing back, like oldies that used to work so well for me that I'm bringing back to use during 2021. I think my eggs are burning, but they're in the air fryer. What could happen? They're pre-made, so don't like defrost them. I did that, and I need some exfoliation. Hello. We're gonna be doing. Where is it? There's a problem. I'm blind.
Where is it?
Here. This time, we are not going to use a cut around. I'm just gonna apply it kind of like an essence. That's cool. And that's what I'm doing. And then we're going to apply the serum so that mineral cleansing water from Bare Minerals. Liquid exfoliate from Kate Somerville. Eradicate Salicylic Acid Acne Serum from Kate. Some bumps. Oh my goodness. So what happens when I don't have my glasses, I cannot measure distance well because I don't have depth of field at all. I drop things, I break things. It's all over. It's one of my favorite products ever. My skin likes it, and it doesn't dry my skin at all. Well, not at all, drastically. After a while, yes, there's some flakiness, but nothing an enzyme mask or an exfoliation cannot solve. And for that I normally use... My goodness. See, I drop things. For that, I use the Firmex Peeling Gel from PTR. Problem solver. Never without it. As you can see, this is a super size. And talking about super sizes, I have the super size that I got during the holidays, Ultra Repair Cream from First Aid Beauty. And this is one of the things that I'm bringing back into my life. It's simple, it's cheap, cost effective. Like $15 for 8 ounces of moisturizer. It's mainly a body one for me, but right now, because I'm in a rush and I'm making breakfast, and I feel guilty because I didn't do my skincare routine earlier. This is gonna do until I take a shower, maybe in a couple of hours. But at least my face has something to work with. So no matter what you're doing, it's gonna be my Alexa tip, squeeze in a quick routine, wash your face. Even if you just wash your face, put a treatment and a moisturizer, it's going to make a difference. Because if you ignore it, then it becomes a habit of ignoring your routine. And I'm not the most disciplined person in other areas, but you only have one face or one body, so this is why this year we are getting in shape. I'm about to film that. And film what? Do my protein shakes and all that. Now I'm just having eggs. There you have it. And then if you want to put some eye stuff, which I cannot find or ever find, Let's see. What options do I have here? I'm just gonna do something like, have this. Pericone Eyelid Lift Serum with isoglutathione. So this, good product. I think it's expensive, right? Like $125? Something like that. Don't quote me on prices. Of course, I cannot open this because my hands have cream all over. There you have it. So, one drop. So benefits, features and benefits. So I like about the micellar water is that is very good for sensitive eyes and skin. So it doesn't bother me at all. It performs too. I don't, you know, obviously I wasn't wearing makeup or had makeup from the night before. The exfoliate for exfoliation, the liquid version, and I leave it on as a serum, kind of like a essence, exfoliating essence, if you will. It's also good for sensitive skin, soothing at the same time, and hydrating. Then I put my cream from Ultra Repair Cream, also soothing and calming, hydrating, rich, winter here, so dry AF. And then the serum from Pericone, you know, neuropeptides, lifting, firming, hydration. I'm just gonna add this other Kate Somerville eye gel because I feel guilty if I don't have hyaluronic acid under my eyes. You know, we lose volume as we age. I just shot like a quick intro video and I looked probably like 157 years old there. So I should probably try to do my skincare first. But you know what? I'm keeping it real during my vlogging. That's my vlog. This is my beauty channel. Because I don't want to create false expectations for people like when they're creating their YouTube videos. We don't have to be perfect. And there you have it. And then my lips feel a little bit crusty. So I need to exfoliate them eventually when I get in a shower. This is the first routine of the year. I hope you like the concept. You know, just cleanse quickly with micellar water, then exfoliate. In this case, it's a leave-on exfoliator. So the whole thing is like you don't have to even turn the key of the sink. No water needed. And serum for your main concern. In this case, is all these scars and all the active breakouts. I think like from here down, it's already under control, even though I have some scars here, but it's working. And the eye area is so important. So, you know, put good stuff, even if it's for a couple of hours. I'm gonna reapply later on after I shower. Neuropeptides, lifting, firming, and then, you know, hyaluronic acid, so important, and depuffing elements. Thank you for watching. Happy 2021.